The boots are crunch pan moss and vine. A stray youth gone AWOL in time. Deserter from a war him never own. Creeping through the DRC zone. But dark wind blow and tree them bend. Blue eyes watch from root to end. Morphmaster rise from jungle shade. Dark force judge what man has made. Them crawl from the smoke of Babylon flame. Gun in a hand but heart full of shame. From desert killing to jungle mud. Them seek Jah mercy fi wash the blood. Them hide in shadow, them hide from laws. Them think they safe but the plan got flaws. Morphmaster comes staff ablaze. Voice like thunder in mystic haze. Why come fi war when no one said ya? Why bring steel when world we meant Jah? Give them roots where guns once came. Give them psalms, help them chant the same. Swear fi God the ganja line. And blue dream sighting them eyes will shine. Spirit forge baptized in smoke, blessed and divine. Him bow before the jungle throne. No more SOJA, no roots. Them own dark force wrap them in iron. Wind steal from the dream that Jah begin. Blue steel chest and dread crown wear. Eyes blaze like the lion stare. No ball head cross without regret. I dread no walk as Zion stretch. Patrol by night, him God by light. Spirit soldier in a dreaming fight. Call him DRC blue steel mind. From wicked war to peace against spirit. Big soda ball and crew all get vanished when them pass through. Them no forget what blood them spill. So know him fight Jah righteous will. Morphmaster raise him staff so high. Spirit cloud gather up in the sky. The name you know both soul and bone. I dread your roots run deep and overgrown. God you know of the your flesh, your throne. Morphmaster chant from mountain peak. Even lost man can find mystique. Blue steel flash roots never fall. A new lion and Saga call. DRC rise like storm cloud swarm. Protecting the herb, they beat the farm. Root boy learn and spirit see how warlock style can set man free.